Hey guys, I deadass forget to bring my camera today, and I'm kind of bummed about it because I went to see Clarice and we went to her friend's house to eat, and then we went to this outlet and I just forgot to vlog. But anyway, I have some clips of the Boxycharm while I'm unboxing the Boxycharm and also unboxing the AirPods. So I'm just gonna insert that clip right now. July Boxycharm unboxing. So as you guys can see, I already opened the box, and this brush is from Luxy Gaia. I have no idea what is that, but like, okay, it comes with this 3 brushes. This is foundation brush, Luxy 510 foundation brush, and it also comes with precision crease. Oh my god, I can't even pronounce that. But yeah, this is how the brush looks like. I like it, it's pink. And we also have large eye blending brush. So yeah. And then next one is this Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Ooh, I love that they include skincare. And next one in the box. Okay, so the prices are here. The Superfood Veggie Mask is $35, girl. And the brush set is $30 for the 3 of these. That's like $60 for the 2. Wow. Next one is the Butter London. Oh, this is cute. Let me try to open this for you guys. Okay, it's not open. It's not open. What? Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 beautiful shimmery. Oh my god. And then we have 2 matte, which is kind of like turquoise color and like dark brown color, and it's from Butter London. Can't wait to try these. And that is $32. Wow, this is $32, you guys. That is good, and the packaging is very cute. Nice. Okay, so I also took this out of the box. This is the Luna by Luna. It's the first time I heard. And then the shade Mars. I think this is a lip gloss. Yeah, it's a lip gloss, and that cost $18. And the last one is this gel liner from Appeal. It's line and define your eyes or lips. Okay, so you can use this for like eyeliner or like lip liner. And the shade that I have here is Deep Taupe. So it's like brownie. Oh my god, that will be good for like a brown smoky eye or like brown lip color. If you have like a nude and stuff, that would be a good combo from Appeal Cosmetics, and that's $21. Damn, they're expensive. And I only got this for like $21 a monthly for Boxycharm. So you guys make sure if you're interested in Boxycharm, you can go ahead. And what do we have here? Oh, if you guys want some $10 at the Ulta Skin Bar. What is this? I have no idea. But yeah, that's that for the Boxycharm unboxing. Hey guys, so I got the AirPods. Yes, I don't know why. So but I just got it at Best Buy earlier today because I went there. My purpose over there is to get my sister this USB flash drive, and it's 128 gigabytes, so they can use it over there. And I also got my sister Mika a SD card, and I also got her some memory card reader because I bought them laptop from Lenovo, I think, and then they just want, I forgot to buy them the accessories and stuff, and they need more gigabytes on the flash drive. So that's what I got at Best Buy. I stopped there earlier. And I also got myself a AirPods. Yeah, this is with a charging case, so we're gonna unbox this today. All right. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Right there, AirPods. So let's open this up. So it says designed by Apple in California, and she's right here. She's so nice and pretty. So let me connect her to my phone first. So let's oh my god, it's so hard to do this by one hand, so pardon me. Okay. Ooh. She's right there. Right there, and I believe the charger is somewhere here. Okay, I got the charger as well. So yeah, that's that for this little unboxing for my AirPods. Oh my god. So I will press connect. It says connecting, and then there she goes. That was easy. Hit done. Ta-da! Okay, I can use it. And the charger looks like the one, you know, the Apple charger, I think. And by the way, guys, I also got these SD card reader from Apple. So yeah, that's that. Okay, so yeah, that was that. And then I'm also gonna show you guys just this too. I just got two stuff from H&M when we went earlier, and I literally just got home, and then I was looking. I thought my camera was in my car, but it was here the whole time. So yes, let me just unbox here. But anyway, we just went to like I said, to her friend's house, which is Nanay Marina, and we went eat over there, and she she got me some food, Filipino food. But anyway, let me put you guys somewhere where I can like show you. Okay, that is way too short. Let me put this in the... So yeah, I'm just gonna do a vlog because I don't have a video for you guys this week. I'm still trying to create the video for tomorrow, the spin brush, for the Devol spin brush. So anyway. Okay, that's that. Yeah, so I got the AirPods, you guys, and I'm really excited. I got it right here. But anyway, H&M. Okay. I went there and we went we supposed to go to Virginia, but it was way too late when we left the Nanay's house, because like it was around 3 o'clock already. So I just told her like maybe next time, because I don't want her to like drive around in Virginia, and like it's like already late at night. So we just decided, I told her to go to the outlets. It's nearby like a national, this like wheel, like National Harbor. But anyway, we went there, and we went to Coach, we went to Kate Spade, and we also went to Nike or something like that. Yeah, they were having a sales, but like yeah, we were just looking. Anyway, when we went to H&M, when I saw this, I'm just like, oh my god, it's a bucket hat, and it's perfect because it's black. I did have one, and I feel like somebody, when I went to Philippines, somebody stole it, or I think I gave it to my friends. But yeah, I got this bucket hat for like, how much is this? $9. Yeah, $9.99, which is just like like $10. But it's just really cute because you can like style this hat, you know, style it down, or just like very like casual. But yeah, I like this, and it's only $9. And I got another skirt because the skirt that I have already is light wash, and I feel like this is more like in a bluish side. But yeah, this was on sale, and this is the original price was $15, and I got it in the price $7, which is $6.99, but it's only, you know, $7, and I'm in a size US 6, Euro 38. So yeah, that's my size, and it's denim. I do like this kind of skirt. It's just cute and has, of course, 2 pockets, and it's a must. That's what I got from H&M. Oh, I'm gonna show you one at Marshall's, you guys. This Calvin Klein, like I don't know how do you call this, but let's see, it's just this modern cotton, and it's $6.99, the size medium. It's black and gray. I really like it, so I can just like, it's really hot nowadays, so it's kind of like I want just to wear sports bra like with my high-waisted, you know, skirt or like short. But I'm still looking for a high-waisted short, and I couldn't find anything. I don't have a high-waisted short. This kind of sucks. And I want to go like thrifting, but at the same time the thrift store around where I live, it sucks, so I don't have a choice. But anyway, yeah, it is almost 7 o'clock, I think. I don't know, where's my phone? Let's see. Yeah, it is 7:32. But yes, I might vlog tomorrow. I don't know, I'm gonna work tomorrow, so my shift tomorrow is only like couple of hours. It's not like a long 12 hours, so that's good. So I can still film like the final review, my thoughts in the Duval spin brush, Radiant spin brush. So make sure to tune in with that one. And I have also coupon code, like 70% off coupon code for you guys, so you can check it out if you want to buy and from stuff from Duval. Anyway, let me get this makeup off, and then probably if I'm gonna vlog tomorrow, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow.